watching, holding breath, a silent pause before what's next. Weight of the night on every soul. Broken paths took their toll. We've made mistakes, we've lost our way, but we're still standing here today. No empty words, no hollow lies, just honest fire in tired eyes. Not one name, not one crown, it's every voice that stands its ground. If you stay quiet, the noise survives. If you step forward, the future ignites. This moment won't come again. The choice is ours. This is the moment. This is the call. We rise together or we fall. Not for power, not for fame, but for a world we choose to save. Stand with me, not in my shadow. We build tomorrow, stone by stone. We've seen chaos, we've seen war, heard the screams, felt the scars, but even ruins hold a spark, a light that cuts through all the dark. No throne can rule without trust, no future built on fear or dust. This land survived by broken hands, by those who still dare to stand. Let the past stay where it lies. We won't repeat the same old lies. No kings, no chains, no false control. Just one shared hope, one beating soul. This is the moment.